Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate your UPMC health plan account. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To activate your UPMC health plan account, start by visiting the UPMC health plan. Once on the home page, look for the member login button located at the top right corner. Click the member login button to be directed to the login page. On the login page, locate and click on the activate your account link. You will then be prompted to enter your member information. Fill in your last name, date of birth, and member ID number. If you do not have your member ID number, you can find it on your UPMC insurance card. After entering the required information, click Submit. Next, you will receive an email with further instructions. Check your email inbox for the activation email. If you do not see it, be sure to check your spam or junk folder. Once you locate the email, open it and click on the provided activation link. This will redirect you to the account setup page. Here, you will create a username and a password for your account. Be sure to follow the password requirements outlined on the page. After entering your new username and password, click Create Account. Once your account is successfully created, you can now access your UPMC health plan account for all your health plan needs. If you encounter any issues during the process, don't hesitate to contact UPMC customer support for assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.